Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make donuts at home easy. First, gather all your ingredients and essential equipment. You'll need basic pantry staples like flour, sugar, and yeast, plus a deep pot for frying. Having everything ready before you start makes the entire process much smoother and more enjoyable. Let's get baking these delicious treats. Once your ingredients are ready, it's time to mix the dough. Gently combine your dry and wet components, then knead until it's smooth and pliable. This step is crucial for the donut's texture. After kneading, let the dough rise in a warm spot. It should double in size, indicating it's ready for the next stage. Now for the fun part, shaping and frying. Roll your risen dough to about 1/2 inch thick. Use a donut cutter or 2 different sized round cutters to create your donut shapes. Carefully place them into hot oil, maintaining a temperature of 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry until golden brown on both sides, then remove and drain. The final step is glazing your beautiful donuts. Whisk together powdered sugar and a little milk to create a smooth, pourable glaze. Dip each warm donut into the glaze, ensuring an uniform coating. They are best enjoyed fresh, so gather your family and friends. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.